What's up, guys? So, what time is it right now? It's probably like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. It's pouring out. As you can see, we're underneath an umbrella right now. I don't know how much I'm gonna film today because it's raining, but we're running the line right now. A lot of cars actually showed up this morning in the rain, but we'll see what's up, bro. We'll try and get some film for y'all, but with this rain, I really don't want to mess up my camera. This rain is messing a lot of things up, but I'll try and get some film for y'all. Just want to give you a little update. It's still early. The show don't start for another 5 hours. And yeah, so see you guys a little bit when I pick up the camera. Alright, now I'm actually gonna walk. I'm gonna take a walk around the whole show for you guys real slow, let you guys see some of the cars, some things that I like that pop out to me real quick. But other than that, there's still a lot of people here, bro. A lot of people. But let me show y'all some of these whips. Now, what I'm wondering is, what is underneath these car covers right here? That's what I want to know. Because they gotta be something special if they're sitting underneath a car cover right now. That's what I'm saying, right? I don't know. We'll see what's up. Hopefully they unreveal what they got going on under there. Now, these look like kind of Jay's truck, bro. I don't know why. I like it a lot. Oh, the interior is nice, bro. It's kind of rainy, you can't really see it, there's drops everywhere. This white is super nice though, for sure. Oh, Jess. Now this is a build right here if I ever seen one. Wow. Wow. This is a build right here if I ever seen one, bro. Seriously. People doing mechanical repairs at the show.
Yeah, most of everybody I know, my family and my friends that are firefighters, they always get a second job.
This is super clean though. Little Momo steering wheel. Super nice. Very clean. I love these seats, bro. The red stitching. Oof. Very nice. Very nice. Got the whole car club here. So this is a nice S2000 right here. Wow. Wow. Color is nice right here. So EK hat, EK coupe I mean. Oh, this is a build right here. You good, bro? Oh my God. You see his wheel through his freaking hood, bro. Or through his engine bay, I mean. This is a sick build, bro. Sick build right here, bro. This Evo is crazy too. Now, with the amount of cars that are here, it's actually surprising because it was supposed to rain all day, like I keep saying. And there's actually a lot of cars, bro. A lot of cars. And I still haven't even walked through that row yet. So I'm gonna definitely get into that row in a little bit, but I'm still working the show, so I can't really like go out and about and do what I want. But I just want to sneak away real quick, get some footage for y'all. This is female driven right here, by the way. Female driven. A Liberty Walk Lambo. Oh, can't fit anything under there. You can't even fit a fucking dollar under there. This thing is sick. It's real sick, bro. When you got a female-driven Liberty Walk Lamborghini. You don't see that very often, bro. But Yeah, bro. Nice little roll of Z's right here. So now I'm on the hunt right now because this morning when I was in line standing there and it was pouring rain outside, somebody gave me their umbrella. Now we gotta find this guy who gave me the umbrella. Forgot what he looks like, but I know he's a vendor. I don't know for which company because I forgot, but we gotta find out. So that's something we're gonna be on the lookout for sure. But yeah, bro, we'll see what's up in a little bit. And a sexual, crazy. Oh yeah, so let me show you this car right here is female driven as well. Right hand drive. I don't know why I fuck with the color so much. The color is so nice. Thing is sick. There's only some cars that could pull off camo wraps. And I don't know why, but I like this one. Me personally, I would change the color of the wheels, but it's a clean build. I like it a lot. And the Sexes, they can be stock, but they're still cool as fuck. Oh, I didn't even see the Mugen seats. Wow, this is a nice NSX right here, bro. That's a K series. Clean, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna do some cinematics this car show because I'm gonna be working a lot, but if I do, it'll probably be a few minutes of some cinematics, probably like my favorite cars that I've seen all day. But Subi love, you know we gotta show love to the Subis always. So that kind of looks like Tyler's first first set of blue with white wheels, bag. I don't think it's a bag though, because this right here is sick though. Got the Miata. Ooh, the interior looks nice too though. Wide body Miata. Which is very nice. Always show love to Subis. Always show love to the Subis. You good, bro? You good? You good? It's alright, bro. It's a nice little build right here, though. I like the build, bro. It's clean. This is super duper clean. And they got the twins matching them. Oof, so nice. Yeah, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna start the cinematics in a little bit. Start walking around for a little bit. Probably talk to Dustin, see if he wants to talk to the vlog. He's real cool peoples. See if Big Mike wants to talk to the vlog. Cause that's the OG right there. But yeah, I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. I'll see y'all soon. Yeah, we're lit. This right here is stupid right here. This goes crazy. This is crazy.
Cool being like me. LA, you can get a taste. Miami, you can get a taste. Oakland, you can get a taste. New York, do you
all
like
games
a
on a
taste?
fucking iPad.
Chi-town, taste. Houston, you can get a taste. Portland, you can get a taste. Overseas, let the magic taste. You can get a taste. You can get a taste.
That's one of the craziest builds I have ever seen in my life.
I bought one for
Word bound.
This right here goes crazy too. Sticker wrap and shit. Our boy Dustin Williams is in the building. Definitely gonna go say what's up to him real quick. We got Big Mike in the building.
What's up, man?
Finally got some time to record. Big Mike the legend. Carly the legend.
Hey.
Ray the legend.
Raimundo.
My boy, the legend. Everybody, the legend. Yo, do me a solid though. Can you keep this back here for you? Grazie. We're gonna stay in line right here, bro. That's what we're gonna do right here. About to get some Dustin Williams merch. You know what I'm saying?
I'll let you go. I got 2 more cars in this category.
I'm gonna come with you.
Well, here.
Oof. This thing is put together real well, bro.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah. Now I'm at the point where I'm changing out the carbon and gold leafing things.
Look how clean the engine block is.
Yeah.
You can eat off of that.
Literally, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Very cool. Alright, I'm picking up the camera again. Got my boy walking around. I didn't even see this S2000 here, bro.
Been here all day.
Wow.
Yo, I found that white 240 that Jay was talking about.
So bad.
Boy.
Yeah, so I picked up the camera again. I'm about to start recording some cinematics and B-roll. But these old schools right here. If you know, you know.
Clean,
Oh my god.
I miss my RX-7.
It smells so good in here. Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all back around for a little bit. And then I'll stop and record some cinematics. So, yeah. Some more cars showed up. Some cars left, but this wide body Beamer is crazy.
Bruh.
This wide body Beamer is crazy, bro. It's crazy. I'm not gonna record a lot of cinematics because it's a lot of work, but I'm gonna just walk around with y'all, show y'all some nice cars. These cars are finally out the tarp, from underneath the tarp. They finally bring them out, and now I know why they were underneath the car tarp the whole day, because these builds are crazy.
Bro, this is my
This is crazy right here, bro.
Yo, you saw the EK single cam turbo?
No?
Ready K.
Oh my god, look at this interior right here, though. Wow. Holy shit. Wow.